Are the Jabra Elite 85T good? The new Elite 85T is an upgrade to the widely popular Elite Active 75T. The Active moniker has been dropped to convey that they are not designed for sports. The Jabra Elite 85T is available for $229 or £219, but this time there has been added extra bulk to accommodate the noise-canceling technology, which makes these true wireless earbuds feel less compact and protrude more from the ear. As a result of new inbuilt speakers with a diameter of 12 mm, the audio has been vastly improved over those on the 75T buds and offers a wider, more balanced soundstage. Despite the noise-blocking technology reducing the battery life, with its integrated charging case the 85T buds can still offer over 5 hours of playback per charge. In general, these are an excellent pair of earphones, and are an excellent choice for those looking for stylish, noise-canceling earbuds that aren't huge in size like some of Jabra's rivals. With pricing of $229, £219, $349 for a pair, the Jabra Elite 85T earbuds are Jabra's most expensive earphones to date. Presented in the box are the 2 earbuds, a charging case, a USB-C cable, and 3 sets of silicone ear gels of different sizes. Designed similarly to Jabra's last release, the Elite Active 75T, they follow in the footsteps of that model. But the main difference is that they're not designed for sports, although their water resistance permits use for low-impact exercise. ANC, however, reduces any acoustic disturbances in your external environment, such as rumbling trains or the dull hum of a plane, resulting in a superior audio experience. While the Elite 85T buds retain their sleek appearance, they have a bit more bulk due to the addition of the ANC technology, which makes the buds stick out a little further. In addition to the pressure relief vents, Jabra's semi-open design also employs silicone oval ear gels to help create a more secure seal and increase noise cancellation. Each earbud features an easy-to-use button that allows you to control playback, volume, and the hear-through feature, a feature that allows you to temporarily cancel noise cancellation and listen to the outside world while the audio continues to play in the background. The Elite Active 85T earbuds may not have the same IP57 rating as the Elite Active 75T, but they do still feature IPX4 water resistance, meaning they are protected against the odd splash of water or little sweat. The Elite Active 85 tons offers only one color option, titanium black, a metallic charcoal or gunmetal, which gives off super stylish vibes and will likely match any outfit if that is an issue for you. This is because the 85T buds contain larger, 12mm speakers, twice the size of those found inside the 75T buds. The result is a wider and more balanced soundstage and even deeper bass. As for deep bass, Jabra is known for its booming audio reproduction, so we are pleased to learn that they have sought only to improve it with the Elite 85T earbuds. With the 85T buds, you can be assured that your music will remain crisp even at full volume. The Jabra Elite 85T earbuds lasted for over 5 hours per charge when the noise cancellation was left on. This falls just short of Jabra's quoted 5.5 hours of battery life, but is still in line with what else is available currently. With the case, the buds will be able to last up to 25 hours, or 31 hours with ANC off, without having to be replugged. As long as you use the Elite 85T buds for an hour or so per day, such as during your commute, it should last you several days. They also support quick charging, so within 15 minutes in the case, you will have an hour of listening time. Using 2 microphones in each earbud, Jabra's Elite 85T ANC can cancel the noise you don't want to hear before you hear it. One feed-forward mic reduces external noise, and the other is a feedback mic that reduces internal noise. In addition, you can adjust the noise cancelling intensity by simply toggling it on and off in the companion app.